Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something truly exciting on the table. The Ugreen Revodok Pro 13-in-1 triple display docking station.
Let's dive right in. Alright, folks, let's talk design and build. The Ugreen Revodok Pro may seem compact, but it packs a punch.
At just 6.5 inches by 2.75 inches, it's travel-friendly without sacrificing functionality.
Plus, it's relatively light at 0.7 pounds, making it a breeze to carry around. Now, let's talk ports.
This docking station is a beast, offering a wide array of connectivity options.
From USB-A and USB-C ports to HDMI and DisplayPort, it's got you covered.
And with support for SD, micro SD cards and a 3.5mm audio jack, it's a true all-in-one solution. But what about performance?
Well, I'm happy to report that the Ugreen Revodok Pro delivers in spades.
With excellent stability and seamless connectivity, it's a joy to use.
Plus, with support for dual 4K displays, you can take your productivity to the next level.
However, it's not without its quirks. The built-in cord may be a bit short for some setups, and you'll need to supply your own power cord.
But considering the performance and value it offers, these are minor inconveniences at best.
So, should you buy the Ugreen Revodok Pro 13-in-1 triple display docking station?
Absolutely. With its excellent performance, versatile port selection, and compact design, it's a no-brainer for anyone in need of a reliable docking solution. And that's a wrap for today's review.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.